Welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. Guys, on my screen, we're looking at Clever Leaves right now. Stock starts to make a move for the day. We saw a huge disappointing drop yesterday. If we take a look on the 2 day, and okay, let's look at the 5 day chart. We saw last week it spikes breaking $4.20, but then since that time, we have seen it came all the way down in the aftermarket yesterday as low as $1.87 when I last stopped tracking it. But then we saw in the trade of today, we saw it opens up just around $2.17. We saw in the pre-market it goes up to $2.31, then it pulls back, and then we saw it goes up now to $2.35. So if you guys are following this, remember last week I told you guys to make sure that you sell it above $4 per share and wait for a pullback. Hopefully you guys did, because if you did sell at that price level, then you could have made a huge profit on this trade right now, because then you could have got in at below $2 per share and sit patiently and wait for a run, hopefully to break $4 again, if not $5 per share. Guys, as usual, do your research. There are a ton of different opportunity right now in the cannabis space. Now, we understand everyone is waiting for and the bill to be passed this week. If the bill does get passed, we'll see a huge run in the stock market. If it doesn't get passed, then obviously you will notice, because the stock price will just drop completely. Now, next on my list, I want to do it very quickly before the market get out of control again. This is Tilray. This is one of my favorite personally. We seen last week it's a similar pattern, was trading in the mid $5 per share, but then we saw it go up and break 860. And then since that time, we have seen a pullback, but it's been ranging between 760 to 850 in the last 2-3 days in trading. Now, as usual, guys, for me, I think Tilray is a better buy in the long run, but it's totally up to you guys what you guys want to do. Next on my list, we can look at Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth is one of the best company out there in terms in the cannabis space. It's more of a reliable and more safety net. Stock doesn't trade very low, very suddenly. It's more stable to trade. You're able to make a better profit on these trades. So if you're concerned, if you're not able to take huge amount of risk, then Canopy Growth may be the company for you. Again, guys, there are a ton of different opportunity. We saw the price starts to move on the market right now. Take a look back at Cleverleaf, guys. We see Cleverleaf price breaks $2.45 per share now. So we start to see some movement in Cleverleaf. So it goes up to 250, starts to do a small pullback. This is why I say it's very important to make sure that you're watching this stock. Price is very fluid. So you got to make sure that you're taking opportunity when you can see it, guys. Now, again, let me know if you guys are buying, if you guys are selling, whatever the case is. Let's share in the channel. Now, if we go back to Tilray, we have seen that Tilray is up a little bit as well for the day. Let's see here, Tilray. Okay, so now it breaks. Perfect. Let's see here. So Tilray is up as well, breaks $8.35, has a small pullback. So again, my favorite is Tilray, but definitely if you want to make a huge profit instantly, then Cleverleaf could do it for you. It's totally up to you. You guys see it's up 25% for the day. Again, it was closed off the day at $1.91. We saw in the aftermarket yesterday, it was trading at $1.85, 87 cents. Then we saw a spike in the early pre-market this morning for $2.30, and then it drops back below $2 per share. Now we're seeing it adds 45 cents again to it. So again, guys, you can make a ton of profit trading this stock along with Tilray if you want to make a lot of exchanges on the market. So again, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are holding your marijuana stock until the bill is passed, and let me know the result once the bill passed, the profit that you guys are able to take home, or if you exit before that decision is made. So as usual, like, share, and subscribe, and peace out.